Creating coasters with depth and color can sometimes be tricky, especially when dealing with bubbles and achieving flawless finish. But don't worry, I've got a few tips and tricks up my sleeve to help you master this project with ease. First, let's add some color to the center of our flower inlays using Let's Resin mica powders. Each center gets its own color for a unique touch. Next, we place our inlays in our coaster mold. Now that I have mixed up our Let's Resin, I have mixed in a little bit of crushed crystal for a stunning effect. We will fill up our coaster cavities. Please note that you may have to push down on your inlay to make sure that it's not floating and that there's no air present underneath. Our coasters have cured and it's time to remove the inlay. Now sometimes when you're removing your inlay, some resin will get underneath, especially if they have floated, the resin gets underneath, and all you have to do is just peel that back. I will let this play in regular mode just so that you can watch the removal. As we move on to the next step, I wanted to let you know that the inlays I'm using in this project are available for purchase in my eBay store. Whether you're looking to add a unique touch to your coasters or explore other creative projects, these inlays are versatile and fun to work with. Check the link in the description box below to explore the collection and bring a piece of this project into your own creativity adventure.
Big news for all our wonderful subscribers. Get ready to dive into the excitement of our brand new subscriber celebration giveaway. Yes, you heard that right. With every milestone of 100 new subscribers, like 200, 300, 400, and beyond, I'll be hosting a special drawing to pick one lucky winner. But wait, there's more. For every 500 subscriber milestone, 500, 1,000, 1,500, and beyond, we're pulling out all the stops with a grand giveaway. 5 winners will be chosen to receive even more amazing prizes. Want to be a part of this thrilling giveaway? It's as easy as pie. Like this video, comment below, so I know you're out there. Share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. That's your ticket to entering the giveaway for our next subscriber milestone. And the best part, it's entirely free to join in on the fun. Plus, I'll cover all postage costs for the winners. I'll be announcing the winners during one of my videos, so stay tuned. Keep an eye out for your name and make sure to reach out to me within 3 days of the announcement. Be careful of imposters. I'll only contact winners through my official channel. If I don't hear back within 3 days, I'll draw another name, so make sure you're watching closely. Everything unfolds right here in our videos, so you don't want to miss out on a single moment. Let's celebrate these exciting milestones together. Good luck to all. Thank you for your incredible support. You make this journey amazing. You're awesome. Thank you for being here, and thank you for watching.
Now that we have removed the inlay, it's time to fill the imprint with glitter-infused resin. Each color gets its own dazzling color. Now this is a Dixie cup like you'd use in the bathroom, so I assume it's like 2 ounces. So I am adding 2 drops of glue. This will help the glitter to stay suspended and not all sink and leave us a clear backing. For the final touch, I mix Let's Resin's resin with black pigment paste from Let's Resin, and I pour it on the back of the coasters. This step gives them a neat finish. Now let's reveal the final look with a gentle flip of our coasters. Reveal their vibrant flowers, each one a unique masterpiece. Aren't they stunning? Creating these flower coasters is not only fun, but also a fantastic way to add a personal touch to your home decor. With just a few materials, you can create something truly special. If you enjoyed this project, please give a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative ideas and hit that bell icon to stay updated with my latest projects. Happy crafting!